am Johnny from Johnny's Motorcycle Company. We were offering a front wheel. It's a 1.85 by 19 Honda CB750 wheel. I don't know the exact years it fits, but it definitely will work on mid-70s Honda. They're basically reproduction spokes and are very close to genuine. The rim is a DID. Now this is what we refer to here as a natural polish. It's not real shiny, but it's just like how it came from the factory. And if you look right here, it's a DID rim, weight production, and this will be perfect for your probably 69 to 76 CB750K. All right. Okay, so here's our natural polished Honda CB750 wheel. We're going to show you how it runs, and we hope you will enjoy this. Very, 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 very nice wheel. All right. Well, thanks for looking at our stuff.